Apple fans, get ready. The future of iPhones is almost here. The iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be Apple's biggest upgrade in years. And trust me, you're gonna want to hear this. This September, Apple's expected to drop 4 new models: the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and an all-new iPhone 17 Air, a super slim, ultralight phone that could be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever at just 5.5 millimeters. The big star? The iPhone 17 Pro Max, rumored to pack a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with up to 8x optical zoom, support for 8K video, and a monster 5,000 mAh battery for all-day power. Plus, new colors like titanium purple and sky blue might make this phone a real head-turner. The iPhone 17 Pro will bring the brand new A19 Pro chip, 12 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of storage right out of the box. And that slim iPhone 17 Air? Expect a 6.6-inch OLED display, Apple's new custom modem, and pricing starting around $900, making it a sleek but powerful mid-tier option. Across the whole lineup, you'll get 20 Hz promotion displays, slimmer bezels, Wi-Fi 7 speeds, faster charging, up to 35 watts wired and 25 watts wireless, and a fresh new horizontal camera design. But it's not just hardware. Apple's also rolling out iOS 26, featuring a brand new liquid glass design that makes your iPhone look alive. And the real game changer? Siri is finally leveling up. Imagine controlling apps like Uber, Amazon, WhatsApp, or even YouTube, all with just your voice. No taps, no swipes, just pure AI power in your pocket. So, what do you think? Is the iPhone 17 Pro Max with its insane camera upgrades worth the upgrade? Or would you grab the super slim iPhone 17 Air? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if you're hyped for September, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest Apple leaks and updates.